तो दोस्तों आज हमारे बीच डॉक्टर उत्कर्ष संघवी मौजूद है
जिन्होंने एक ऐसा अचीवमेंट किया है कि कहते हैं कि भगवान का दूसरा रूप डॉक्टर को माना जाता है। वैसे आज हमारे उत्कर्ष संघवी हमारे बीच मौजूद है। तो सर सबसे पहले आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आपका नेटिव प्लेस कौन सा है?
Basically, I belong to Vedancha, which is near Chadottar, and the district comes is Banaskantha.
बनासकांठा। तो हमें आपका बॉर्न किधर है आप?
I was born in Ahmedabad, but brought up in Surat. My schooling is from Surat. My MBBS is from Nashik, and I've done my cardiac surgery from Sri Satya Sai Institute of Higher Medical Sciences, Bangalore. And I was an assistant professor for 3 years in UN Mehta Institute of Cardiology, Ahmedabad. And presently, I'm working as an associate consultant in cardiac surgery at Narayana Hospitals, Ahmedabad.
ओके, सो आपका प्राइमरी एजुकेशन आप किधर हुआ है, मतलब मेन जो प्राइमरी स्कूलिंग होती है?
My primary schooling is from Mehta Seventh Day Adventist School in Surat. From nursery to class 12, I was in Surat at Seventh Day Adventist School.
तो सर जैसे कि हमने जो आपकी अचीवमेंट के बारे में सुना वो आपसे बेहतर और कोई नहीं समझा सकेगा। तो कृपया आप अपना अचीवमेंट है वो आप बताइए कि आपने कैसे इस इम्पॉसिबल जो मिशन था आपको उसको अंजाम दिया गया।
So, yeah, it was a difficult task for us. Thanks for the kind words. Basically, we had performed our first successful heart transplant, and it was the first one for us. A 31-year-old guy belonging to Jain community had met with a road traffic accident in Gandhinagar, was admitted in Apollo Hospital, Gandhinagar, and then he was declared brain dead. So the family had agreed for organ donation. So we got a call midnight around 11:17 p.m. to be very specific, that the heart is available, and we had a patient waiting for heart transplantation. He is around 62 years old. So the blood group matching was done. It matched. So we took the call that we'll be performing our first heart transplant. And in the morning, our team was ready by 7 a.m. And one team had gone for heart retrieval at Apollo Hospital. My colleague, Dr. Atul Maslekar, who is my senior, he had gone there. He harvested the heart from there. Meanwhile, me and my other team had kept the recipient ready, whom we had done the heart transplant, who is around 62 years old, as I mentioned. So once the tissue cross matching came at around 11 a.m., we were given green signal from the Society of Organ Transplantation of India for we can go ahead for our first heart transplant, and the process started. The surgery went on good. So once I know what the next questions will be. Once the heart is harvested from the donor, it has to be transplanted within 2.5 hours, which we had successfully done, and the surgery lasted for around 5.5 hours. Patient was extubated on one day after. On post-op day 2, patient was discharged on successfully in a walking condition, and after mobilizing on 29th of December.
ओके, सो एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन खाली मेरे जहन में आता है। आपने जो बताया जो इम्पॉसिबल मिशन को आपने एग्जीक्यूट किया वो एक बहुत ही टफ काम होता है। एज अ डॉक्टर आप तो बेहतर तरीके से समझ सकते हैं। तो ऐसा कोई मोमेंट हुआ है, लास्ट मोमेंट इंसिडेंट, जहाँ पे आपने किसी की जान बचाई है, मतलब एकदम क्रिटिकल स्टेज वाला पोजीशन हो?
To be frank, being a cardiac surgeon, there are many incidences. But yeah, I like to quote one incident because it is very close to my heart. It is an incident of a very close relative of mine. So uncle was around 72 years old, and I got a midnight call from the relative, his son, that he has been had a cardiac arrest around 1.5 kilometer from my house in Ahmedabad. So I was given a call. I went running with me and my parents because it was a close relative. We had gone there, and the other hospital team was ready, trying their level best to get back the patient, return of spontaneous circulation for the patient, but they were not successful. I had reached, and then you won't believe, actually the rule is according to the American Society of Cardiology, if a patient does not respond after massaging, what we call is cardiopulmonary resuscitation, then we can declare the patient as brain dead, or we can declare the patient as cardiac arrest, and we can declare the patient. But I said no, since it is close to me, I'll give a try. After intense CPR of around 55 minutes, patient survived. Yeah, patient was on high inotropic support, revived slowly inotropes came down. We shifted to a other higher tertiary care center because family was willing and they were like, no, if you are sure, we'll get. I said, yeah, we have to take a chance. We can't let uncle go such in such a condition. So we shifted him. Today, where I am standing, my relative is very near to me. He has come walking all the way from Ahmedabad to Surat, and yeah, he'll go back walking. So this incident was very close to me, and yeah, I also sometimes we do believe some people call us like second gods, but no, God is only one. We just do what God tells us. We try our best. Thank you so much.
Every seconds count when a life is on a line. In the operating system, silence meet precision. Dr. Utkar Sanghi didn't just perform surgery. He bridged the gap between hope and a miracle. A heart transplant isn't just a procedure, it is a rebirth. It is the ultimate handoff, a human kindness. Once the heart stops its struggle, another begins its journey. Dr. Sangvi sees more than a patient, he sees a future. To save a life is to save an world.